Hello students, today I am explaining the remaining problems in the exercise 11.4. Problem is, show that 1 minus cos theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta into sin theta. Observe here 1 by cos theta, here cos is in denominator, minus cos theta, this is LHS. After simplifying LHS, RHS should be tan theta into sin theta. Solution, LHS I taken here, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, here cos theta written as cos theta by 1. I want to take the LCM here. Cos theta by 1. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta by 1. Cos theta into 1, LCM is cos theta. Then cos theta by cos theta. Denominators divide. Cos theta by cos theta 1. Resultant multiply with the numerator. Cos theta by cos theta 1. 1 into 1, 1. Cos theta by 1 is cos theta. That cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Once again look at here. Cos theta into 1. That is LCM is cos theta. Cos theta. Whatever the LCM is there, that LCM divide with the denominator of the first fraction, that is cos theta by cos theta. Cos theta gets cancelled, answer 1. That resultant 1 multiply with the numerator, that is 1 into 1 is 1. Same process do the second fraction also. Cos theta by 1 equal to cos theta. Resultant cos theta multiplied with the numerator cos theta, that is cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Now the problem is 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. What is 1 minus cos square theta? If you revise the formulas, then sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Formula is there. Here cos square theta equal to, if you are transposing sin square theta to that side, that is cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. That is, in place of 1 minus cos square theta, I written sin square theta. By cos theta, denominator common. Now, sin square theta, I written as sin theta into sin theta. That is, a square is nothing but what? A into a. A multiplied by 2 times. Sin square theta is what? Sin theta multiplied by 2 times. That is, I split that sin square theta as sin theta into sin theta. Here sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. I did not change the denominator here. Now I divide the term, that is sin theta by cos theta. So this cos theta written for one sin theta only. That is remaining sin theta I written separately. Sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Here sin theta by cos theta is what? Sin by cos is the tan. Already have the formula. That is tan theta into sin theta. That is the required solution. Here you are using the formulas sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 and sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. So read the formulas very carefully. Next problem. Simplify secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. If you are observing here, secant and tan, we are having one formula. We should convert this problem as the formula you are having secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. How we are converting? Look at here. Given problem I taken here, secant A equal to 1 minus sin A, secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. I multiplied secant A to 1 minus sin A. that is secant A into 1 and secant A into sin A. Same problem I taken again. I'm multiplying here. Secant A into 1 is secant A and secant A into sin A, that is secant A into sin A. Next, this term I written same. Next one, here secant A. Secant A is what? Secant A is the reciprocal of cos. So I written that 1 by cos A. Secant A formula 1 by cos A into sin A. Rest of the problem is common. Next, secant A, here 1 into sin A, sin A. Sin A by cos A, tan A. This is 1 by sin A into 1 by cos A into sin A is sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A is tan A. So in place of this one, I written tan A. Secant A minus tan A into secant A plus tan A. Here, this is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. That is A plus B into A minus B is what? A square minus B square. A is secant A and B is tan A. Then we can convert it as secant square A minus tan square A. So already we are having the formula secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So then automatically answer is 1. This is the next problem. Today all students read formulas and practice it. Whatever the formulas are given here, and trigonometric table also is very, very important. Write each formula 2 times. Thank you, students.